evening to all. The Smart School is synonymous with scenic splendors, reinvigorating freshness, unperturbed ambience, and a treasure trove for learners. It is simply awe-inspiring and spellbinding with a biodiversity park, museum, and Sri Chandan Knowledge Park. The school aims to provide stimulating and fun activities for young children, plays a part in the development of children, and ensures each child grows into a confident, happy child with a high self-esteem. We are sure that the program is well structured and there is an enormous amount of variety with a new and exciting program each week. Imitation, experiments, and repetitions are our main focuses of the early learning experience. Theme-based teaching and learning links curriculum strands and capitalizes on children's interests, creating a sense of purpose and community in the classroom. Theme-based units are a vehicle for teaching a range of skills and content by integrating curriculum areas around a topic. Our vitamin-rich friends, lending hands, seasons, jungle folks, safety and first aid, I'm special, transport were some of the themes for the year 2016-17. Smart School is where science objectives come to life by taking a nature walk and letting the campus be students' learning laboratory. Our wish is to promote the love of science and the world around us by providing free and fun resources. Children enjoy seeing and feeling the different kinds of rocks, fossils, trees, and a few science exhibits. The most favorite and attractive one being the dinosaur. Science can teach kids to form their own opinions rather than take those of others for granted. In science, children are taught to go about getting a whole lot of information from different people and sources, experts, teachers. It's not just Googling for the answer online. It's about saying, I have looked at a whole lot of things and made my own opinion. Nature needs no embellishment. Nature Walk is a regular feature where tots get exposed to the environment of the school. Many of the ideas come from the innate fascination children will experience when they turn off the electronics and use all 5 senses to experience nature. Nature walks don't need any greater objective than enjoying the out of doors. In Smart School, children savor the sky, the plants, the insects, and many more. There's no need for a lesson plan or script. Help people plan their future and ours. Tiny Tots of Smart School took a few small steps to make a big impact on the people around. They communicated all the viable and easy ways that one could go green. Children made it very evident that it does not take much time, just a little compassion and effort through their Go Green campaign. Our children learn many skills and attitudes during role play and learn how to be cooperative and be empathetic with others. They learn to express all their feelings. They learn to improve their language and movement skills. Animal friends, road safety, communication, healthy food versus junk food were some of the role plays performed during the year. The role of a morning assembly is very important for the spiritual development and for maintaining the positive environment in the school. Morning prayers and co-curricular activities improve love, optimism, and high potential in the student's mind. Our assembly is quiet, well-cultured, and reflective in nature. A plethora of activities like shloka chanting, recitation, storytelling, skit, and many more happen here. We have an important role to play in helping children learn new information, ideas, and vocabulary, and how to use this knowledge to become full participants in their own learning. We help children to connect how new information and ideas to what they already know and understand. In the light of the above, we had knowledge-based activity with topics like root vegetables, water pollution, life cycle of a butterfly, fish, bird, to name a few. Pigeons and dogs, the proud possessions of the school, entertained the children. In the fast-paced modern world of whizzing, beeping, flashing, Technology where people rush hurriedly about to keep up with these fast changing times, it's all too easy to forget our traditions and customs of earlier slow times. Smart's efforts to keep cultural link to its past reflect on the culture to keep traditions alive to be passed down to future generations. Festivals at Smart are celebrated in all its magnificence and communal togetherness by one and all. Tiny Tots wore colorful attires, sang songs, and danced to a few devotional numbers. The need for human nutrition can no longer take a backseat. Good nutrition and a balanced diet help children grow up healthy. Nutritious Food Day activity was conducted to ensure best strategies to improve nutrition and encourage smart eating habits. Nutritious food was prepared and relished by children through this activity. Peppercorn chaat, peanut masala, sprout salad were a few apart from the regular nutritious food served by the school. We know that helping children to love and enter the temple is worth every effort. It holds the key to one of our greatest hopes and joys, a family that is forever. Smart School is one big family where children are made God-fearing and taught values. Children sang shlokas, songs in the praise of the Lord. They also gave out different names of Lord Ganesha and were very excited. Tasty prasadam was distributed for children to relish. Stories can link not only between the world of classroom and home, but also between the classroom and beyond. Stories provide a common thread that can help unite cultures and provide a bridge across the cultural gap. In the light of the above, we had the storytelling activity. To raise awareness regarding the importance of wildlife, the animal parade activity was conducted. The punchline is, we help the world to see how important animals are to all of us. Small hands, big art. Many individual and group activities were conducted throughout the year under different topics like forest, freehand drawing, best out of waste, decorating pictures, and many more. Kannada Rajyotsava was celebrated with pomp and show. Children and teachers wore yellow and red dresses. The tots spoke about the richness of our state, Karnataka. Smart News Chutti Special 2016-17 was another milestone our young toddlers achieved. One could see how these little reporters did an intense job of reporting all the important happenings of the school.
Namaste, I am Riya and I am Dhanvi, reporting from the desk of Chutti Special. Do you know, our school organized many programs this year. Could you tell me about it? Why not? We had animal parade, where all the tiny tots of LKG were dressed as different land animals. On the other hand, our UKG students dressed as water animals.
Rain dance, humorous song activity, sports day, and knowledge fair are some of the activities yet to happen. Children who once had tears in their eyes are proud learners now at Smart School. In Smart, planned and purposeful activity provides opportunities for teaching and learning both indoors and outdoors. Activities for grade 1 and 2. World Environment Day. Collage work and drawing was conducted based on the theme Green Environment. World Ocean Day. Ocean-related videos were showcased to enhance the knowledge of the children related to the oceans and their riches. The talent show was an excellent show for performing acting, singing, dancing, gymnastics, or playing a musical instrument. It was a perfect opportunity to strut their stuff in front of all their friends and teachers to exhibit their talents. Language enrichment activities were fun, innovative, and interesting, which kept our children engaged and strengthened linguistic skills. Scramble, word building, pick and speak, forming new words from one big word, dialogue delivery, jumbled words, crossword puzzles, mind game, and many more were conducted during the year. Help your children to understand morals of life. Our present generation can use stories and its morals in their lives to become better humans. In the light of the above, we encouraged everyone to participate, read, and present them in the class in a creative manner. Math Week. This week was about inspiring students through open, beautiful, and creative math. We chose the different tasks so that students saw math as a broad, interesting, and visual subject that involved deep thinking. Our main aim was to make the students try harder all year, persist with open and difficult problems, and embrace mistakes and challenges. Learning by doing was emphasized to concretize the math concepts. All tasks were related to the math textbook of respective classes. Sons of the land, farmer and soldier, balancing academics and sports, community helpers, awareness towards peace, and save water were all depicted in the form of role plays. Parents, we solicit your cooperation in all our endeavors and promise to bring the best out of each child in the years to come. Thank you.